The following demonstration will show the web content publishing capabilities of TaskCentre for SAP Business One. We've created a task that will update an employee directory on an intranet site. You can see the current directory on the screen with a number of employees and their details already listed. We are going to add a new employee to Business One and then use TaskCentre to update the intranet employee directory to include the new record automatically. Let's switch across to the Business One application to add a new employee record in the Employee Master Data window. The details we are now entering are the details that will appear on the intranet employee directory once the task is finished running. Now we've added the new employee record, we can go ahead and run the task in TaskCentre for SAP Business One. This task would usually run on either a scheduled basis or on the event of adding or updating employee details. For the purposes of this demonstration, we'll queue the task now, forcing it to run. Now you can see the task running in the Active Tasks pane. If we double-click on the task, we can load the graphical designer where individual steps are added to create this task as follows. Firstly, our query tool gathers the relevant employee data from Business One. The second step formats the data into an easily accessible web page using the Format as HTML tool. Finally, the web page we've created will be saved to the intranet folder using the Save as File tool as we're running the web service locally. You could of course use our FTP tool to upload the page to a remote site. The task is finished running, so let's switch across to our internet browser to see the results. On the screen you can see the intranet employee directory as we first showed you at the beginning of this demonstration. If we refresh the page, we can see the employee details that we've added into Business One have been included in the updated directory. This task has demonstrated the web content publishing capabilities of TaskCentre for SAP Business One. You can see how you can achieve savings in both employee time and effort by automating the process of updating web content. Traditionally, any minor modifications or additions to the employee master data would mean that a staff member would have to manually update the employee directory and pass this information on to an experienced web developer. The web developer would then have to rewrite complex HTML code and also upload the changes to the site.